I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to deposit money with Western Union, here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Find a Western Union location. Visit the Western Union website or use the mobile app to locate the nearest agent or retail location. You can also find locations in grocery stores or convenience stores. Step 2. Prepare your information. Gather the necessary information for the transaction, including the recipient's name, location, and the amount you wish to send. Make sure to have a valid ID on hand as well. Step 3. Complete the deposit form. At the Western Union location, fill out the deposit form with the required details. This includes your information and the recipient's information. Double check for any typos to avoid issues. Step 4. Make your payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Notify the recipient. Once the transaction is complete, inform the recipient of the transfer. Provide them with the tracking number and TCN from your receipt, which they will need to collect the funds. I hope this guide makes your Western Union deposit process smoother. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.